Hey guys, today I'm just going to be making a filler video because I haven't posted in like forever. So just making how to make a troll face. I know it's dead, but I'm kind of bored and this is the quickest thing to make. So just want to draw two eyes. It's kind of big and weird shape, and then draw just like really weird mouth. Like that's not really weird enough. But yeah. So try and just like that. Yeah. Just kind of make it like a weird shape. And next step is like really important. Wrinkles. Just do wrinkles like everywhere. Just on the eyes, on the mouth, and just like an excessive amount. Like, wow. Stop, please, because that's like too much wrinkles. That's how much. That's how many wrinkles you want. Like, too many. And I'll just finish up with the mouth too. So, giving you guys a full detailed experience, but yep. And you can kind of just do whatever you want. It's just like a freestyle thing. Yep. Sounding professional. Cool. So, I almost finished up with the mouth. And, yep. I'm going to add some pupils to that bad boy. And there we go. It looks like a weird troll face. Hey guys, this is my first time doing an outro, so just wanted to say I'm going to do some more stuff. I'm going to do this thing where I'm going to play 3 games. You guys are going to choose the best one, and then I'm going to play so much out of it. You guys are going to be very sick of it. So just be on the lookout for that. Bye.